Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is green color, pink color, orange color, blue color, purple color, parrot color, yellow color, and the last one is red color. Now let's color the bike. Let's zoom in on the screen to color it. Now let's zoom out. What sound does a bike make? A bike goes. How many motorbikes can you see on the screen? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 motorbikes.